We are cutting across to Kochi first, where the Congress party is holding a protest against the law student's alleged suicide case. Let's take a look. Well, this is a protest march to Aluva East Police Station demanding suspension of the circle inspector in the alleged suicide of a 21-year-old law student. There you can see the big gathering there. Police is using tear gas and water cannons also on the protesters. Shilpa Nair joining me on the phone line. Shilpa, we are looking at live pictures from Kochi. Tell us what's happening there, please.
Well, the death of 21-year-old law student Mofia Parveen has triggered a massive row in Kerala, and now we are seeing protests taking place. Mofia had died by suicide in Aluva over the alleged domestic violence she had suffered at her husband's home, and she had, of course, written a suicide letter as well, in which she had named her husband Suhail, his family, and also the role of Circle Inspector of Aluva, CL Sudhir, where she had said that though she had filed a complaint against Suhail, no proper action was taken, and the Circle Inspector had humiliated her at the police station, and that, feeling dejected over that, she took the step. She died by suicide, and even her father and family members have alleged that she was a victim of domestic abuse. Her husband was unemployed, and he was dependent on the money that Mofia was bringing home from her work as an artist, and he was constantly harassing her over dowry and over money. And due to all of this, she had to take this step, and even though they complained to the police, no action was taken, and instead Mofia in her suicide note says that she was humiliated in front of her husband and his family members, and that is the reason why now protests are taking place, seeking action against that particular police officer whom Mofia had named in her suicide letter.
Yes, and what is the word from the police and the administration on this? Let's also highlight what the side of the argument from the other side is. Is there any particular reason cited why the suspension has not happened so far, despite the demand growing louder?
After the suicide note surfaced, the district police chief of Ernakulam Rural K. Karthik had removed this Inspector Sudhir from the post of Aluva East SHO. He was also the investigation officer in the Uttara murder case, and he was transferred to Aluva as a punishment for his unprofessional behavior. And even in this case, what Mofia has highlighted in her suicide note, and what her parents have also highlighted, is how this particular police inspector he behaved in an extremely unprofessional manner, and despite going to them with a very serious complaint, he humiliated Mofia, and that is the reason why now protests are taking place. And she, of course, in the suicide letter had also said that action should be taken against this inspector, and the chorus for justice, of course, is growing louder, and protests, of course, are taking place in different parts of the state.
Right. Thank you very much for joining us, Shilpa, with the interesting, important outputs there that you've shared with us, and also for sharing the footage that we are looking at on our screens right now. Protesters raising, in fact, protesting against the issue of the delay in suspending the circle inspector in the alleged suicide of a 21-year-old law student. The student had left a suicide note mentioning the name of the concerned officer. This is a protest march being held to Aluva East Police Station demanding the suspension of the circle inspector.